Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Tuesday Full of Tinies, or Tinsel Tiny Tuesdays. It is our second to last Tuesday in July for our Christmas in July. So I have 24, I believe, $24 I'm working with over here. So each little tiny will get $1 when I roll. And let's take out our little tinies we are working with. Still did not fix that, but I have a few tinies in here and I have some up there. So whatever ones we end up using, I know there's some I printed and that I can't find, and I just don't know what I did with them. So we're just gonna move on, I guess. Okay, so we have Norella's Budgets, this cute little Christmas in July freebie that she had. So whatever I roll this week, or whatever I save this week will go in here, and then the last Monday it'll go in here. And then we've got the teeny tiny little Christmas avocado from Hey K Budgets. Little jump roping his little Christmas lights, which I love. So I'll put that in the 4 spot. And then Bookish Mama Budgets. Looks like the little bunnies are playing around on a unicycle in the snow. I don't know. Okay, so that one I'll put in the 2 spot. And then let's see, I'll do Elaine Realized with the little Christmas Santa palm tree, and then at the beach with the surfboard. This one does have the water, and I'll move these for now. Hope I won't really actually need those, so I'll move them out of the way. Okay, and then I'll do another Elaine Realized, this beautiful tree, and I think I'm going to make each $1, and hopefully we can get some of those done today. And then last but not least, another Hey K Budget with a little watermelon with a little Santa hat. And same thing, whatever I get today, I'll put in here, and then next Monday we'll fill up that spot. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Tina's over here chilling on their couch. They didn't do great for me on Monday minis because they didn't like the number 3 spot, and I put one of them in the little dunce chair, the little timeout chair. And then I got worried that she was just gonna, sabotage all of my games. So I'm moving the chair over here, put them up in style, and hopefully they'll let me at least hit every one of these with at least $1. So we've got our 24 ones, and each one will get $1, and I will start with this one. 1. 1. 5. 5. 5. Okay. 5. 3. That's good. The 3 spot actually got something. 6. 6. 5. All right, you need to rest. Let's get you. 1 and 2. 1. All right, we need 4. I hope everyone's week is off to a great start. Yay, we got 4. All right, good job, guys. 4 again. I've got a little bit of a busy week ahead, but I'm mostly doing some designing stuff for Budget Your Life and some things I want to do with the website, which I feel like I'm always doing that, but last $1. 5. I think 5 is our big winner. Okay, so put you back on the couch. Put the little lid on you. Okay, up first I will do the little adorable Christmas avocado from Hey K Budgets. And let's see what we got. Today we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $4 left. So I will put the money right here and the little tiny that we're working with there. Okay. Up next, we'll do Elaine Realized, this beautiful Christmas tree and fireworks. Love that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's see. I said I was going to do them each one. If I do that, we finish. So yay. I will put this one back here. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I might as well take that dollars and just put that there since I have it. And then 1, 2, 3 to go in our next tiny. Let's see what I have up here. Those are some of my Olympic tinies. I don't want to start that yet. Okay. Oh, let's go back to this Julie's Pages because that Santa with the popsicles just cracks me up. Okay, so I'm also going to have these be $1. So we will do 1, 2, and 3, and we have 2 more dollars. Hopefully we can finish it next week. So these $3 will go here, and ongoing tinies go here. Up next we have Hey K Budgets, cute little watermelon with the Santa hat. And today we got to add 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, I know why that doesn't look like the same. So we get to add 4. Fun. Okay, up next is Norella's Budgets. Nori printed or made these cute little Christmas freebies for Christmas in July, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5 today. And then this can go here. So let's do this one next. So this is at Elaine Realized. Cute little Santa and a palm tree and a surfboard, and we have 2 little spots. And it just got $1 today. So we'll just have 1 more left for next week. Put that there. And then for our cute little bunnies in an ornament, we got $2. So 1, 2. All right. So let's clean up a little bit, put some of this stuff back. So in our tinies, we only have 1s. I can just put these to the front. And then these are the ones we are working on. Let's put our big clip on these. Actually, it's just add. At some point, I will go through that, maybe after Christmas in July is over, and just sort it out a little bit. That was very difficult. Okay, so let's get our bell out. Did I do this already? Did I ding? I don't think I dinged yet. So, yay, we finished one. Woohoo! Alrighty. Okay, so this one will go, all the money, so it's $5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, will go into our randomizer envelope. This is what we use at the end of the month, which I think I'm going to do a little bit a different way. I've been watching a few people do theirs and watching other people do just generic other videos, and I think I've come up with a way that I'd like to try to do it. So, and then got out this, so this would be close by. And then I do put my completed tinies in here without the money. I just want to kind of showcase what I've actually completed. So at the end of the month, I can kind of see how many challenges, whether they're tinies, minis, or anything. So, okay, so that's that. And that was probably a quick little video. So thank you so much for joining me for Tuesday Full of Tinies, Tinsel Tuesday. And I hope you can make my live Thursday night. It's 5:15 West Coast and 8:15 East Coast. And I just get on there and just chat with some of my friends that pop on, other budgeters, and we get some non-budgeters that are like, hey, what's going on? And we explain it and they're like, this is fascinating. So you never know what you're going to get. And I will be doing my Christmas binder for the last time, at least for a couple weeks. I'll bring it back in sometime in August, but I've been consistently doing it every Thursday, so that's fun. And I think I'm close to finishing some challenges. So if you want to see me finish some and which ones I'm going to start, I'd love for you to join. So I would also love for you to like and comment and subscribe. And if you didn't watch yesterday's video, I did announce the winners, and I also did a little something special at the end that you might want to watch. So I hope you, did I say? Yeah, on Sunday's video. And I hope I didn't say yesterday's video. So on Sunday's video for my cash stuffing. So I hope you have a wonderful week. And until next time, take care. Bye.